Introducing the Freshware Meal Prep Containers, the ultimate solution for meal prepping, food storage, and portion control. These high-quality containers make organizing meals effortless and convenient for busy lifestyles. Some key features are here. BPA-free material made from food-safe, BPA-free plastic, ensuring safety and durability for everyday use. Stackable design, space-saving and efficient, these containers are perfect for fridge and pantry organization. Microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe. Built for convenience, they handle heating, freezing, and cleaning with ease. Portion control compartments. Each container holds 16 ounces, ideal for balanced meals and portion control. Now, let's discuss some pros. Versatile use, great for meal prepping, leftovers, and storing snacks or lunch on the go. Easy to clean, dishwasher-safe design simplifies cleanup after use. Durable construction, sturdy enough for daily use without warping or cracking. Now, let's discuss some cons. Lid fit. Some users noted that lids may become looser over time. Limited for soups, while ideal for solid foods, they may not be completely leak-proof for liquid-heavy dishes. Customer feedback. Also, the Freshware Meal Prep Containers are a reliable and efficient choice for organizing your meals and staying on track with portion control. Their combination of durability, versatility, and user-friendly design makes them a must-have in any kitchen. Now, let's evaluate. Rating. Simplify your meal prep routine with Freshware Meal Prep Containers available now. Let me know if you'd like to refine this further.